This bag is 1,000 bob. Can you all imagine? This is 1,000 shillings. Hi my loves, how are you doing? I hope you're all doing very well and you're doing okay. So it is at around 9 p.m. I'm shooting this video this late because I just got home from town, and I'm from Dubois. Some call it Dubois, some call it Dubois, and I've been shopping some items here and there. So I wanted to show you guys what I got, and definitely I didn't buy a lot of things because I was on a budget. And then I realized the video may be very short, or it might be very short, because the commotion in town, and like sometimes there's disturbance and like there's a lot of people. So I discovered that I may not be able to shoot and give you all the juice that I wanted you to see and know. Yeah, so that's about it. So I wanted to show you guys what I got. So the first thing that I got, or let me actually start by saying, if you are a lady or even a man and you watch my channel, please, before when we go further, remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, tell me what kind of content you love to see. But please, guys, come out to Dubois. I don't know what to do with your life in Nairobi, because that is where you get the cheapest jewelry, the cheapest like everything in Nairobi, anything to do with beauty, hair care, nail products and whatever, and etc. etc. So I wanted to show you what I got. So I have a friend, or I have made there's a lady I visit called Esther. I will leave her contact down below. I get most of my things from her, but also I don't mind them if I pass by any other shop and I find something nice, I'll take. So from Esther's place, I passed there on Friday, and then I saw a very nice bag that I was not able to buy at that moment. That was on Friday, so I booked it for 500 because I didn't want them to run out of stock. Then I was to pay the remaining balance of 1,000 because the total amount was 1,500. So I went to pick it today, and it is here with me. So I wanted to show you how it looks like. Yeah, so it's wrapped very nicely. I didn't even open it. I trusted the shop attendant who was there today. So guys, it's white. My first white bag. Yo, check it out. Check it out. And actually, Esther is the one who picked the color for me, because I remember there was a white bag, there was white, there's yellow, there was another color and red. But the red was maroonish, so she said white will look more classy. And my friends, this is the deal. This is what you do. So it has a ribbon that is placed, if I'm not wrong, on the straps. I will do it, and maybe I will show you when it is done. And then it has this toyish thing, and then it has the. So this bag is 1,000 bob. Can you all imagine? This is 1,000 shillings. And then there's what is it called? There's a black bag and this is pink. I don't know, pink pearl. I don't know, like baby pink. So I liked it because the black one had also the pink decoration. So I felt like the black one didn't blend very well. When I do the video, you'll see the black one. It didn't blend very well with all the decorations and flowers. So I felt like the baby pink was rhyming more with the colors. So this is about it, guys. This is about I'll show you what I got. As you all know, I've been saying them again. I'm trying to build my heart collection. I'm growing to be very fond of and love hearts. So I'm trying to really grow a collection. And then I got 3 pieces today because one of my friends came to my house and carried 2. So I have to go back to restoring them on the table. So the first piece I got was this one. This one. The color, and then like it's not too much. There's like not too much decoration. So it's very, the blue is very nice, and I'm styling it and trying to it when toning it down. What's it? I love it. Oh my god! Check it out. Check it out. Are you even ready? You guys should be ready. So let me say, I didn't tell you the price. This one I got it last week at my friend Esther's place. This was 500 bob. The blue was also 500 bob. This one I got it today. This print costed me the price, the wholesale. I'm talking about wholesale prices. When you go trying to negotiate prices on wholesale places, because sometimes like the margin difference of wholesale and non is 100 bob. So this one, after they started with 600, but I got it for 550, but it's because I got 2 pieces. So other than this e-cop here, I wanted another print, but those ladies insisted this one, insisted this one will look good. And let me tell you, I totally agree. You all need to invite me for dinners and lunches so that I can show up, So other than that, the other things I got were baby stuffs. That already I've tried on the baby, and I've soaked them for them to be washed. So I just wanted to show you what I got and like how cheap or how good of a bargain you get around when you're around. So that was about it, you guys. I really hope to see you very soon. Sorry I've been lost, but as I said today, I'm coming back, and I'm coming back. And remember to like, leave a comment, hit the notification bell. Tell me what kind of content you want to see me creating. Do you want to know where I source my things from? Do you want to see cleaning videos? Do you want to see restaurant reviews? Kindly please tell me. I want to go above and beyond this year on YouTube. And we see like where it is taking us. So that was about it, you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. Love and light. Keep safe. Bye.